Metrovac Vac and Blow Review, the ultimate car vacuum for serious cleaning. If you've ever tried cleaning your car interior with a small cordless vacuum and felt disappointed by weak suction, you're not alone. For drivers who want real cleaning power, not a toy, the Metrovac Vac and Blow offers a professional-level solution. The Metrovac Vac and Blow is not your average car vacuum. Powered by a 4.0 peak horsepower motor, it delivers significantly stronger suction than typical handheld models. Designed and built in the USA, this unit combines a high-powered vacuum and a forceful blower in one durable steel body. That means you can vacuum deep dirt from carpets, seats, and crevices, then switch to blower mode to dry surfaces, clean vents, or blast debris out of hard-to-reach areas. What really sets the Vac and Blow apart is its versatility and build quality. The all-steel construction feels solid and long-lasting, while the included attachments make it easy to clean everything from tight seat rails to dashboards. The blower function is especially useful for drying interiors after a wash or removing dust from electronics and air vents. Unlike battery-powered options, this corded design delivers consistent, powerful performance every time. No fading power, no waiting to recharge. If you're serious about keeping your vehicle spotless and want a vacuum that performs more like a professional detailing tool, the Metrovac Vac and Blow is a smart investment. It's ideal for car enthusiasts, detailers, and anyone who values powerful, reliable cleaning. Check the current price and availability through the link below before it sells out.